Hello everyone and welcome to the Apps Frameworks introductory session, which is used by the SaaS startups or enterprise IT to quickly develop and provision their products. Let's start with the sign up as publisher option, which allows you to create your publisher using which you can access your portals and services. For signing up as publisher, you have to log in using your credentials. If you are not an existing user, you can sign up for free. Once the publisher sign-up is complete, you will receive an email from Risersoft containing links specific to your publisher, using which you can check different applications like admin portal, registration portal, app system developer, app system publisher, home app, and service provider. The first feature is identity as a service, through which your users can sign up and sign in. This is the home page on which a user can sign up. Next feature is subscription management, where your customers can try and buy products that you define. Each customer is created as a tenant in your publisher environment. And this is the process for creating an account for the product. There may be different products created by the publisher, and users can create an account for those products for trying them, and they can buy also. The next feature is admin portal. So this is the admin portal. Here we can define the products and tiers to which your customers can subscribe to. You can also manage your users and tenants. The next feature is App System Developer app. This application is used to define the rules of menus, views, and navigation. A sample app is automatically created when you sign up as a publisher. The full featured desktop app can be downloaded from the Microsoft App Store. The next feature is App System Publisher app. This application is used to run the defined rules in the context of a particular tenant. Notice that the URL is specific to the tenant and your publisher. The publisher app also exposes API which can be consumed by your client apps, and you can work in a true serverless environment. Thank you.